The CSD minor program has a lot of on-hands learning experiences to prepare you for the next steps, which are going to graduate school and pursuing a career in speech-language pathology or audiology. I interacted with professors as well as did some shadowing and observation experiences in the field to see if this was something that I really wanted to do. The professors are really engaging. They make sure that the classes are really fun and interactive, so they're on-hands learning experiences where you really get to practice and your knowledge is kind of solidified by the work you're doing in class. For example, in anatomy and physiology class, we would do things like we would paint the muscles of our face while we were learning, and we would build structures of our larynx and do that kind of hands-on experience of like taking the textbook's information and making it into real life. As far as like the on-hands experiences I got outside the classroom, we would observe an SLP in the field. So I went into a school district actually and stayed with a SLP and watched her all day with all of her clients coming in. It was really that moment when I was taking those classes that I was like, wow, this is really what I want to do and I can really make an impact. Being in the graduate program now, I really feel like the CSD minor adequately prepared me for the program. It set me with all the foundational courses that I needed to build off and learned other specialized topics.